Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 3 to the power of c is equals to c, and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and I hope so you like this method. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method, or from only this method. Okay, so here the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to take the natural log on both of the sides, and this will be written as log of 3 to the power of c equals to log of c. So here we use the nice property of log, and according to this property, you know about that, if we have log of a to the power of m equals to m times of log a. So according to this property, we just write the left hand side of this equation as in this form. We move c in the front of this log, and we get c times of log 3 is equals to log of c. And further in the next step we have, so in the next step here we need to move the variable terms to the left hand side, and we move the constant terms to the we move the variable term to the right hand side and constant term to the left hand side. So for this, now we remove the c from here, so that's why we divide both of the sides by c. So when we divide by c, it will be written as c times log 3 divided c is equals to log c divided by c. So here you remember that our c is non-zero value. So if c is non-zero, then it is possible to divide c on both of the sides. Okay. Now you see here this c and this c are gone, and we get here log 3 is equals to log of c divided by c. And here we use the another logarithmic property here. You know that if we have a, so we write this a as e to the power of log a. It means that when we apply log and anti-log at the same time of a, we write it in this form. So in the same pattern, we write over this term c as e to the power of log c. Okay. So now we use this nice rule into the denominator term, and this term is written as log c divided by e times of log c is equals to log of 3. So here we use another property, and you know about that, if we have 1 over e to the power of m, when we move this exponential term from denominator to numerator, then its exponent becomes negative. So we write this as e to the power of minus m. So according to this property, we just move the term e to the power of log c to the upsides, and it will be written as log of c into e to the power of minus log c is equals to log of 3. And further in the next step, we need to multiplying both of the sides by minus 1. So when we multiply each of these terms on both of the sides by minus 1, this will be written as minus log 3 is equals to minus log c times of e to the power of minus log c. And now here we introduce the nice Lambert W function. We can solve this problem with the help of Lambert W function. And Lambert W function is stated as w of a times of e to the power of a. If we have a times of e to the power of a, so the output of this type of function is equals to a. So the output of this type of function becomes the exponent of e, and that is equals to a. So here we use this nice Lambert W function on both of the sides of the above equation, and this will be written as w of minus log 3 is equals to w of minus log c times e to the power of minus log c. So you see that the output of this type of Lambert W function be the exponent of e. So the exponent of e is minus log c. So its output is written as minus log C is equals to W of minus log 3. So further in the next step, here we need to find the value of C. For this we remove this negative sign, so that's why we multiplying both of the sides by minus 1. So when we multiply it by minus 1, we get minus W of minus log 3 is equals to log of C. So in order to get the value of C, so in order to remove this log C, we will take anti-log on both of the sides. So when we take anti-log, so we write both of the terms into the exponent of E, and we get e to the power of minus W minus log 3 is equals to e to the power of log C. So you see that this log and this e are cancelled out by each other, and this is the negative exponent. When we move it into the downside, it will become here positive, and we get e to the power of w of minus log 3 is equals to c only. So this is the value of c, but the right hand side gives us the complex value. Okay, so it means that here we get the complex root of the given equation, and here we just conclude about that this question has no real solution. So this is our final answer of this question, and I hope so you like this method. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.